Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop: how to create custom shape info callout box. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Select the custom shape tool and choose a rounded rectangle shape. Now draw the main callout box. Change fill color to light blue. Select the custom shape tool again. Now choose a small pointer shape. Draw it on one side, other side box. Rotate it toward to the content. Align both shapes together. Add headline text inside the box. Add smaller description text below. Adjust line spacing properly. Double click the layer box. Add subtle drop shadow. Thanks for watching. Your project is ready in Photoshop.